The intense heat wave conditions across India have become a major environmental and public health concern in recent years. A heat wave is a prolonged period of excessively hot weather, often accompanied by high humidity, which can severely affect human life, agriculture, water resources, and the environment. During the summer season, many states of India, such as Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh, experience extremely high temperatures, sometimes crossing 45 degrees Celsius. The primary causes of heat wave include climate change, deforestation, urbanization, and increasing pollution levels. Global warming has led to a steady rise in average temperatures, making heat waves more frequent and severe. The effects of heat waves are dangerous for both people and nature. Many people suffer from dehydration, heat stroke, sunburn, weakness, and other health problems. Elderly people, children, outdoor workers, and poor communities are especially vulnerable. In rural areas, farmers face crop damage due to lack of rainfall and excessive heat, which reduces agricultural productivity and affects food supply. Animals and birds also struggle to survive because of water scarcity and rising temperatures. Heat waves can further increase electricity demand as people rely heavily on air conditioners and coolers, sometimes causing power shortages. Water levels in rivers, ponds, and reservoirs decrease rapidly, creating water crisis in several regions. To reduce the impact of heat waves, both the government and citizens must take preventive measures. Planting more trees, conserving water, reducing pollution, and promoting clean energy can help control global warming. People should avoid going outside during peak afternoon hours, drink plenty of water, wear light cotton clothes, and stay in cool places. The government should improve weather forecasting systems, spread awareness, and provide emergency health care facilities. During extreme summer conditions, schools and workplaces should also take precautions to protect students and workers from excessive heat. In conclusion, heat waves are becoming a serious challenge in India due to environmental changes and human activities. Proper planning, environmental protection, and public awareness are necessary to reduce their harmful effects and ensure a safer and healthier future for coming generations.